Most computers store their data on a hard disk. We can see how a hard disk works by looking at this disk here, which has a transparent case. Inside is the disk, and as I switch it on, you'll see the disk begin to spin up. When that's up to speed, it's going around 10,000 times a minute. You'll also see there's a little arm here. In a moment, that will start flitting backwards and forwards across the surface of the disk. And it's that movement that you can often hear making the clicking sound from your computer. Now, to see how that works, we have a giant model here. This is the disk, and on the surface of the disk, we have lots of little magnets, and these represent the binary digits. So here we can see some alternate blue and red dots. The red dots are magnets with the north pole up, those represent the ones, and the blue dots are magnets with the south pole up, and those represent the noughts. This is that head that we've just seen, and at the end of the head is a little sensor which detects the magnetic fields. And that's sending its signals to this computer, and you can see indeed that those little magnets in that inner curved track there are alternate ones and noughts. Now I've got a real magnetic disk here mounted underneath this microscope, and on top of the microscope we've got a camera. And if you could take a feed from that camera please and just bring it up on the screen. Here you can see these curved tracks, and if we just zoom in on that, this is a speck of dust. It gives you some idea of the scale of this. These are the curved tracks, and you can see they have these stripes. Each of these stripes is a little magnet. It stores one binary digit.